Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro are out, where we see almost a similar feature as we have seen in the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic last year. Samsung has sort of been making two lines of watches: a classic version with physical rotating bezel that looks like at any occasion, and then the active or sport version, which was lighter and smaller but delivered the same internal specs and performance in a sportier looking watch. So Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, it seems that many assumed that the Watch 5 Pro was Samsung's way of making a sequel to the Watch 4 Classic without the rotating bezel. Yes, this time Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is not featuring the rotating bezel but keep the similar design like Watch 4 Classic, but few changes that Samsung made with the Watch 5 Pro are good to have on the Watch 4 Classic. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has improved scratch resistance on the display, has a sunken-in display as well, and that combination gives you better durability, so you're less likely to have this get scratched when you're rock climbing and doing something more extreme. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and Watch 4 Classic both offer health-centric features such as heart rate measurement, blood pressure monitoring, ECG, blood oxygen level, sleep tracking, exercise tracking, and rest of the smart features like calling, messaging, notifications, SmartThings Find, which are available on almost all Galaxy Watch variants. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is made out of stainless steel, which is durable material, and display is still sunken in here, so I think stainless steel, the body on here looks more premium. In addition, we actually tick marks rather than just a massive black bezel around the display. Samsung probably should have added tick marks on the Watch 5 Pro. Both models comes with a 1.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage. Although Galaxy Watch 5 Pro powers a big battery, 590 milliamp power, 63% more than Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 45mm version, which was 361 milliamp power. Almost double the battery life on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which from my experience is giving me approximately 3 or 4 days using this heavily with the run every day, whereas the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, this is the larger version, I can say probably you will get 2 days, but usually 1.5 days. Meanwhile, Samsung worked on durability of Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, where we can see titanium build with a new sapphire glass instead of Gorilla Glass on the Watch 4 Classic. Now, if you are a fitness freak and you are into hiking, running, cycling, or any sporting activities and you are going to GPS tracking and better battery life, then you should pick up the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Considering they have same processor, you're getting a rotating bezel on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and you're getting the same software, same health sensors, so the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is just such a compelling buy right now. The price now, Samsung notorious for changing the price all the time and putting out big sales. It's $450 for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, just the base model, versus $350 and $380 for the Watch 4 Classic. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.